Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is a new question about 5 alien color 3. It's easy first. Then if the alien is green, then it means that player earn 5 points. Okay, because if green in alien colors, you earn 5 points. Then if the alien is red, because green, yellow, red. Okay, then this is my color alien. If this is, you must use if, and else. This is if what the meaning? Red, no, yellow. And this is else, using else, because 5, 10 and 5. Okay, good. If else change, make do if, and else change. Right. Python 355. Wait a minute. Python 3 wait a minute, 5 alien colors. Oh, sorry. You earn 5 points. Why this has happened? Why just one statement that you print, but you know that yellow is true statement. There are yellow in alien colors, and there are else red in alien colors. Why the statement just earn just here? Why? Any comment for you? because the if statement just the Python just interpreted the first and the right sentence in this. If green is alien color, then you earn 5 points because this is true, and the Python didn't interpret it using if yellow and color cover. So the program is just only this is good, this is the true sentence, and then yeah, done. The Python didn't want to print the others, although this is the true, because we just using if, right? But if we use if and using what the meaning, using loop, maybe then I will print will print others. So make sure that you can understand the whole point about the Python interpreter Python, because this is the most like what the meaning, the basic from the Python. So because this is true, so the you earn 5 points. But I want to show you something. If the first question, if the first sentence is not true, then you expect that the output will just you earn 10 points. I want to show you. Maybe this is black, right? There are no black in alien colors. So the statement, the Python will show you earn 10 points, right? Because this is false, and the Python will interpret it this the second sentence. And how if this is how if the other's else is false? So you can expect that the output with you earn 15 points, right? You earn 15 points. But because the Python it will just reading the first sentence, the second sentence, and like that, and using if, meaning that just only one true and then done. Only one true and then done. So I will make it, what a minute, make like before screen, because that's the question, right? And green and red. This point, you earn 5 points, and you just add status. Just, oh yes, I modify some pattern. Cross gift. Oh, some. I'm sorry. Git commit min m using what mean if, if and else. Okay, done. I want to show you the next step, stage of life.